Hi, everyone. This is Higaspot. Glad to see you guys here. And today, we're going to show you 3 quick methods to transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. So, if you just switched from Android to iOS, then you probably know how hard it is to transfer your WhatsApp chats from one Android phone to an iPhone. But luckily, we finally have the official support from WhatsApp to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone with the app moved to iOS. So, here today, we're going to talk about 3 fast and easy ways let you transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone with or without reset. So the first way we're going to use is the move to iOS suggested by WhatsApp official. And before we start, there are some things that you need to know. First, move to iOS only transfers the WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone during the setup process on your iOS device. So if you've gone through the setup already, then you will have to reset your iPhone to the factory settings and erase everything on it. And if you're using your iPhone for quite some time, you may not want to reset the iPhone since it will erase all your data. And in that case, move to iOS won't be the best option for you. Then you can drag the slider to the method number 2 and try the tool phone transfer, which is capable to migrate WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without reset. And the second thing is that your Android phone should have Android 5 or above version installed on the device, while your iPhone should be running iOS 15.5 or the later. Besides, make sure that you have the latest WhatsApp version on both your Android and iOS devices. And of course, you also need to install the move to iOS on your old Android phone to get it started. So, now, let's see how Move to iOS works when transferring WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. So, we have this Android phone and the iPhone 13 right here. And we're going to move the WhatsApp chats now. So now, on this Android phone, we open the Move to iOS and tap Continue to begin. Simply read the terms and allow it to access and send files automatically. Soon, you'll see this Find Your Code screen. It's going to use the one-time code from your iPhone so that your Android and iOS device can get connected with each other. Alright, now, grab this iPhone 13 and stat to set it up. Like I said, if you've already finished the setup process, you will need to factory reset it. Here's how. We open the settings and go down to select General from here. Scroll down till the bottom and tap the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Next, we choose Erase all content and settings to factory reset this iPhone. You may also choose to upload your data to your iCloud storage before the reset. But here, to save time, I just choose to skip it. Alright, and then let it erase now. You can see it's wiping out everything on this iPhone now. And finally the hello screen appears, so here we just follow the on-screen prompts to set up the iPhone. Alright, remember that this is to get the one-time code from the iPhone. So, during the setup, when the apps and data screen shows up, wait a second, and here you can see the option that allows you to move data from Android. And this is exactly what we need right now. So tap it and continue. A 6 or 10 digital code will be displayed on the iPhone screen. And then we back to Android phone and enter the code, also allow it to join the connection with your iPhone. Now, on the transfer data screen, you're able to select the data files you want to move from Android to iOS. And here, to transfer the WhatsApp messages, we're gonna select the WhatsApp from here. If you cannot find it, you can select Add Files and select the WhatsApp data folder from your Android storage. And then tap the Continue and let the Move Chats to iOS process start. Make sure you tap on the Start in this step, or you won't be able to transfer the WhatsApp messages later. And when it says Done, we tap on the Next and let the Move to iOS continue to finish the data transfer. Alright, when the transfer complete notice shows up on both phones, you can tap Done on Android and continue to finish the setup on your iPhone. Okay, now, it's all set up, and I'm going to get the WhatsApp messages to this iPhone. So now I'm gonna install the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger on this iPhone. And I'm going to log in with the same phone number on this iPhone. Make sure you use the same phone number on your iPhone. If not, the WhatsApp messages cannot be restored to your WhatsApp account. Alright, now, sign in and verify. And you can see this Move Chats from Android option. This will only happen when you have a WhatsApp transfer from your Android device and also use the same phone number to sign in. So here, we simply start importing the WhatsApp chats and allow for the permissions. It may take much time here if you've got a lot of WhatsApp chats as well as the media files inside. Alright, now input the name here. And you can see all my WhatsApp messages are here right now. Every WhatsApp chat is here with all the media data inside. Like the pictures, emojis, videos and memes. This is how we can use Move to iOS to transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iOS. So is there any way to migrate the WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without reset? Don't worry. Here, we're going to use the second tool to move your WhatsApp chats without resetting your iPhone to factory settings. So let's do this now. In this method, we're going to use a very convenient tool called Phone Transfer from AppGeeker. You can get it through the download link below this video, or head to appgeeker.com and find Phone Transfer from the product list. Alright, since I already have it on my computer, I just open it up now. You can use either Windows PC or Mac. And this will also require two USB cables to connect your Android and iPhone for later WhatsApp transfer. Okay, now, step 1, we go the WhatsApp transfer here. Once you open it, the WhatsApp transfer is on the screen by default. So, we're gonna choose WhatsApp transfer from here. And as you can see, it's also available for the transfer of WhatsApp Business and GB WhatsApp messages. Here I'm going to move my personal WhatsApp chats, so hit the WhatsApp transfer from here. And now step 2, connect the Android and iPhone as the on-screen instruction shows. So, here are two big phone icons. And the left is for source phone, and the right is the destination phone. In our case, WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone, so now I'm gonna plug my Android phone first. And here, you should see, once connected, your Android phone will pop up a message, telling you to enable the USB debugging on your phone. This will allow phone transfer to load the WhatsApp messages from your Android phone. So make sure to allow it to turn on the USB debugging on your phone, and it will scan and display your WhatsApp data in this center box over here. You can see here are the messages, group SMS, pictures, videos, audio, and other files you may need. Next, we connect the target iPhone. And if asked, let your iOS device trust your computer and enter your screen passcode to confirm. So the step 3 and also the last step is to click the start button right here to let the WhatsApp data transfer happen now. Alright, click it and you'll see the loading bar running. To copy your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone, it will require you to log in with your WhatsApp account on the Android phone during the transfer, so here, we're gonna follow the instructions and input the number and verify on this Android phone. Alright, this is to create a backup of your WhatsApp data files, and now you can see from the screen, it's going to restore your WhatsApp data to the destination iPhone. And when it's almost done, you'll be asked to log in on your iPhone. So as the same, we sign in with the same WhatsApp account on this iPhone. Alright, the phone number, and verify, okay. You may encounter the restore from iCloud option here, and we just simply skip it from here since we're going to restore your WhatsApp messages from the Android phone instead of the iCloud storage. So skip it from iCloud. And click the Login Successfully button, and continue to finish the rest of the WhatsApp transfer. When it's all done, it will automatically log out from your old Android phone and you can see your WhatsApp messages as well as all the media data inside on this iPhone now. Everything in your WhatsApp account is now moved on to this new iPhone, and all your WhatsApp messages appear orderly when you open the WhatsApp chats. Alright, the method number 3, we're going to use your Gmail account to move your WhatsApp chats. Yeah, that's right. Using Gmail to transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone is actually pretty easy. But two things you should know before the transfer is that in this way, you can only move one WhatsApp chat at a time. And the WhatsApp chat log can only be stored in your Gmail inbox. That is to say, the WhatsApp chats cannot be restored to your WhatsApp account once transferred. So make sure you're aware of this. And if you want a more convenient way to move all your WhatsApp chats, you can try the first or the second method in this video. Alright, back to the Gmail now. I'm gonna open my WhatsApp on my Android phone. You can see a few WhatsApp messages here, and some are with pictures and emoji inside. So now, I just open one of the conversations, then from the top right corner, tap the three dots right here. And from the following option, we select More. Then, you can easily find the Export Chats option. Alright, that's what we're going to do. We're going to export this WhatsApp conversation to this iPhone 13. So here we choose Export Chats. And you'll be given two options, include or without the media data inside. So, if you want to keep the images, videos, emoji, meme in the WhatsApp chat, you can go ahead and tap Include Media. Or, you can just select Without Media. Alright, here, I just tap on Include Media. And this will lead you to several options. You can pick a way to share, to export your WhatsApp chats. So, like I said, I'm gonna choose my Gmail right here. And then input my Gmail account here. Alright, now, send this email to myself. So, now, this WhatsApp chat will be sent to my own Gmail account. Let's check. Okay, I open the Gmail app on my iPhone 13. And here, find this WhatsApp file in the inbox. So open it, and as you can see, this is the WhatsApp message I just sent. And the media files are all here. You can see the conversation I've made with my friend, and the images and emojis we've shared, all here, but not in its ordinary way. Right now, it's more like a text. You can check them, access them, but can restore them to your WhatsApp account. So that's how you can transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone with 3 quick ways. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and feel free to share it with anyone who may need this. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe for more useful tips, and I will see you next video.